YouTube? Today we're headed out to a home site. One of my clients is building from scratch, all the way from the ground up, and we're doing a pre-drywall inspection. I haven't been here since like before they broke ground. It should be coming up on the left here. I probably won't even recognize it, to be honest, but we shall see. Made it to the correct house. As per usual, we got Kenny.
Great. Good to see you.
Good to see you, man. Pre-drywall should be pretty quick.
Yeah, they are.
Hi.
How you doing?
Ben? So as we walk around my client's construction site here, let's talk about what's going on. As I said previously, my client is building this home from the ground up out in Berry Bay, which is a new construction community out in Wimauma, Florida, just southeast of the Tampa Bay proper area. And if you guys haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, click that bell icon so that you don't miss a beat when it comes to a lot of my content here on the channel. I have been becoming a lot more active lately after my account has been dormant for a long time. But I am a licensed realtor in the Florida area, primarily operating in Tampa and the surrounding areas. And I would love to collaborate on a deal. I would love to potentially earn your business, whether you're a buyer, seller, real estate agent from out of state that wants me to refer your clients, etc., so on and so forth. I'm your man. But this particular home was is being built, I should say, in Wimauma, Florida, by MI Homes, which is one of the better builders in my opinion. They have a very fine attention to detail, as is highlighted in this video. The superintendent of the project and of the entire community for MI Homes was actually on site, ready to answer any questions or concerns that my home inspector had. You can see him in the background, Mr. Kenny McLaurin. Shout out to you. His Instagram handle is on screen right now if you want to follow him and send him your business. He does work in the Tampa area as well and surrounding cities. What I think it should be known for those of you who aren't familiar with the new construction and new home building and buying process is you should always get a pre-drywall inspection. You should always get a third-party opinion to come on site and represent your best interests, much how you would hire a buyer's agent to represent your best interests when you buy a new home, as opposed to just going directly to the builder unrepresented. Those are asking for potential issues. You want to have someone that has your best interests in mind, and that's pretty much the sole purpose of the pre-drywall inspection by Kenny McLaurin, which I stand by his work. He's been doing pretty much all my customers and clients home inspections and pre-drywall inspections ever since I started my career nearly 4 years ago. Can't stress the importance of hiring a good inspector who actually knows what he's talking about. But walking through the house here, this is actually the front foyer. You can see the front entrance right there. And walking to our left here is going to be a couple bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 1. Previously, we already toured the master bedroom, master bath. But we're here on the front of the house at bedroom number 2. The windows are already there, ready to bring in natural light. You can see the front yard as well. And as we continue on back through the foyer to the front door, you're going to see us walk the exterior. Now you can see the stucco's already been put on. This is a block construction home. Block construction is pretty standard nowadays in Florida. If it's a 2-story home, however, not all builders build block and brick on the 2nd story. In this case, the entire home is block, being a 1-story home. The only builder that I know of. Don't get me wrong though, MI Homes is still a great builder. Great product. This is one of several MI Homes that I've sold so far in my career. One of my buddies, in fact, he's also a Lexus guy, lives right around the corner from this house, and I had a chance to chat with him as he pulled in from work, which is funny. Shout out to you, Bill. But anyways, we're pretty much wrapping up our walk around here around the exterior. We already finished the interior, and based on Kenny's findings, I mean, it's purely cosmetic stuff that we found, as we would expect. MI Homes does have a high standard when it comes to their products and safety and code. The gentleman that was with us informed us that aside from our third-party inspection that we had hired Kenny for, the builder also hires its third-party inspector as well. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to Ben, the superintendent here. He has a cool carbon fiber helmet. I complimented on that, which is pretty cool. Me being a car guy, carbon fiber is definitely a cool material to have outside of car stuff. But walking around the other side of the house, you can see the neighboring house already put a fence up, so which is good. Once my buyers move in, they'll only have to worry about one side of fence, and obviously the rear of the fence as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Chris Sabio out.